Welcome to the Sales Lab.
Let's dive right in and tell us, what is technical sales?
Sure. So technical sales. So I think technical sales really refers to sales that will tend to be complex in nature, will tend to be, as the name implies, technical. So there'll be specifications or requirements of a technical nature. So not just preferences like, hey, I like a green shirt versus a blue shirt, but real hard specifications about, could be sizes of equipment, could be speeds and feeds of equipment, could be number of users in our case for software, capabilities of software, et cetera. So technical sales really applies to, I think, products that are, as we mentioned, technical in nature, of course, but are complex to understand and sensitive to the application. Meaning you could apply technical products in the correct way, you could apply them in the incorrect way. And while I suppose you could say the same for shirts, not so much the case as when typically business to business, a large company may be using technical software in the case of Aviva, or other equipment in the case of other industrial companies. And it's important that you use that right, that you use that in a way that complements the system that the products will be used in. So we think not just in applications of technical products, we think not just of the product and the specifications of the product itself, but also the system that it's going to be a part of, and ensuring that that system is, of course, meeting the needs of the customer and allowing them to really drive improvements in their business. Either in our case with industrial software, we focus on things like efficiency, sustainability, throughput, understanding the business as a whole. But the ultimate benefit for the customer comes either in the form of reduction in costs, through that could be inefficiencies in resource utilization, that could be lost material due to poor manufacturing practices, or increases in revenue, right? That could be from producing more goods in a given time period because they avoided downtime, or they were able to more efficiently apply their resources, both raw resources as well as the human resources in the process to deploy those. So technical solutions and technical sales really has to encompass all of that. And to be effective in technical sales, we have to understand the customer's perspective and really what they're trying to achieve, and how what we're trying to sell plays a role in that. And that often requires long sales cycles and complex sales cycles, because typically these solutions are part of a much larger system.